bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
From a distance you can tell.
Alright guys, happy Vlogmas day 10. So we're watching Santa Claus Come to Town. I used to watch this back in the day. It was back, it's like the 1970 movie. And it looks like this. And it's like the cartoon version. And has like a musical and stuff and animated. So it's perfect for her. So, yeah, remember that? Anyways, I don't want to be too much copyrighted, but that's what we're watching for the countdown to Christmas. So, see you guys later for Vlogmas Day 10. Hey cousins, sorry I haven't been vlogging. So, I kind of went outside, tried to put the things away by myself, and I slipped and fell, and landed on really hard on the ice. And my body aches so bad. I can't like do anything. It just aches. And I don't know. It just hurts, so I couldn't really do much today. So I just been laying on this couch practically all day. Right now I am giving baby lunch. While she's watching Mickey Mouse. My husband will probably come home like in 2 hours, so just probably hang out with baby and just don't move from this couch until then. But it just really hurts. I'll try to spice up a little bit more, but I think tonight I'm gonna, even though I'm hurting, I have to wash bottles because baby doesn't have bottles for tonight. So when husband comes home and watches her, I probably wash bottles, and then probably wash a few dishes depending on the situation. But other than that, it's really sore. So I'll see you guys later then. Bye. Hey guys, I am going to call it a day. I'm so sorry that this Vlogmas is just a bust. I fell down 3 times like I said before, and I'm just gonna basically upload this really quick and go lie down the rest of my body because falling on ice isn't fun. And hopefully I will be okay tomorrow. I just literally could not do anything today. I felt like around noon. So hopefully everything will be okay. Thank you guys so much, and have a great Vlogmas day. The rest of your night, and see you tomorrow.